Hi, I'm Anna McConnell, wardrobe stylist and transformational coach. I will be popping in weekly on this page briefly to discuss a fashion or beauty tip. I am a wardrobe stylist and I help women and trans women with their image, style, and creating a wardrobe that suits their personality and lifestyle. So today I thought I would discuss 3 tips to appear slimmer. Um, Dressing is all about optical illusion and proportions. So we can always trick, and there are tips and tricks to appear slimmer. And so the first one is fit. Fit is really essential. Black as well as darker colors may slim down, but the fit is really the most important thing. Don't conceal yourself behind oversized garments or squeeze into something too tight. It will make you appear just that much larger. Use accessories to your advantage. A scarf draped in a right fashion will draw the attention to your face and conceal an area that you don't want to enhance. Um, your choice of pumps will lengthen your leg and make you look leaner. A long necklace will elongate your silhouette. So there are things like a bag, for instance. The right bag will slim down your hips. Also, shapewear. Shapewear is really the foundation of your outfit. Whatever you wear underneath will make or break your outfit. You need to be smooth, have the right support, and lift. So shapewear is really important. So I hope these tips have helped today, and I'll see you soon. Enjoy your day. Bye.